Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. This video is going to be about yoga with an exercise ball. If you enjoy yoga, there are plenty of ways to change your usual routine, and one is adding an exercise ball. Using an exercise ball is a great way to give your body a different kind of support to help you increase balance and flexibility. Because the ball is curved, it is slightly unstable. To stabilize it, muscles in the core and thighs come into play. The lack of stability only adds to the workout, firing up different muscles and strengthening the connective tissue that supports the joints of the body. It is very important to breathe properly. Focus on breath while making movements also helps in controlling the movements, which reduce the chances of injury. When inhaling, first fill up the abdomen and last the chest. When exhaling, the air in the chest goes out first, then the air in the abdomen. Rhythmic, deep, and slow respiration stimulates the mind and makes it stress-free. Your body becomes relaxed if you take control of your breathing, which leads to better functioning in general. You can also use your exercise ball as a desk chair. There are so many benefits of using it as your chair. Forces proper spine alignment. Causes you to frequently change positions. Improve your balance. Your core is going to be stronger. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.